We'll see about Diesel Plus system, which is accelerating distributed deep learning task on image database data sets. So let's see what is its overview. Let's start with overview. We observed that access and processing takes a significant amount of time in large scale deep learning training tasks on image data sets. There are three major problems in DLTs. The first one, the massive and recurrent access to large number of small files, and the second one is the repeated expensive decoding computation on each image, and third one is the frequent communication between computation nodes and storage nodes. And this, however, no end-to-end solution have been proposed. This is the one of the papers we have. Name is the Diesel Plus system with a reference node. In this slide, I just give you overview of that paper representation. I'm presenting some of my takeaways and important points on from that papers. And let's see how in paper they proposed Diesel Plus all in one system, which accelerate the entire input-output pipeline of deep learning training tasks. Diesel Plus contains several components. In Diesel Plus, it's a all-in-one system, which is generally accelerate the input-output pipeline for deep learning training tasks. And Diesel Plus contains several components. First is local metadata, snapshot, per task distributed caching, chunk-wise shuffling, and GPU assisted image decoding, and last one is online region of interest decoding. These are the main component of Diesel Plus system. This term later we will see each one of later we will see this each of terms. And let's start introduction. Deep learning has revolutionized various domains, including image classification, neural language processing, and recommendation system. Recommendation system and convolutional neural network (CNS), a prominent DL technique, have achieved human level accuracy in image tasks. However, training DL models demands processing extensive data, such as the massive image net 1000 and open such massive images net 1000 and open image datasets, each will millions of images. In response, we introduce Diesel Plus datasets. In the paper, they introduce a Diesel Plus datasets storage and processing system composed of three key components. First one is efficient data storage and caching. In Diesel Plus system, their main aim to efficient dataset and storage caching, make it efficient of data storage and caching. And second one is optimize GPU assisted image decoding, and third one is all region of interest handling. And Diesel enhance input output performance by using a metadata snapshot mechanism, distributed data sets among GPU nodes with per task caching, employs a chunk-wise shuffles methods to optimize file reads. Further, Diesel Plus, these are the by using this mechanism and their methods, they increase input output in machine learning tasks, input output efficiency. Further, Diesel Plus leverage ROI, region of interest to reduce decoding workload by cropping only the required images regions. So through the ROI, Diesel Plus reduce workload. Unlike current practices, it performs ROI at a caching layer, minimize data transfer cost. In current, unlike like current practices, this digital plus perform ROI at caching layer, minimize data transfer. Also, it will reduce data cost on data transfer cost, because it ROI performs in caching layer before data transferred from the caching layer to training nodes. Digital Plus is a versatile solution compatible with popular DL framework like MaxNet, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. Their evolution demonstrate its 2 to 3 times improvement in real world deep learning training speed compared to existing storage system. So this is their evolution result. They found that 2 to 3 times improvement in real world deep learning training speed. And let's these are their paper extension contribution. We'll make us skip this. They they contribute they have also worked in this system previously. They have also worked on this system, but in this system digital plus, they introduced digital plus, and the previous system 10 is introduced digital plus, introduced digital plus extend. And the second point is innovating online ROI technique. In their recent this study, they include integrate the implement the innovative online ROI techniques. And the let's see, there's digital optimization for digital plus optimization for CNN model training. And there we can see the storage in the figure 1 as a illustrate the optimization of image data access and processing pipeline for CNN model training on a cluster using digital plus. Key optimization include, let's see, I have to shift this. Digital plus using digital plus. So there we can see the storage. Here there is caching layer, feed network, network read, and then a batch of images. Then this image will be the recording and pre-processing for the training purpose. Then forward, this is the CNN model. Here we pass after the decoding, and they will then after the decoding images will pass to the training framework. And let's do here. Also, the system has contained several are their main components, key components. Key optimization include first file chunk and metadata snapshot. In this picture, the key component includes key optimization include file chunk and metadata snapshots, compact small file into large data chunks, and employ in this metadata snapshot. What it will do, compact all small files into large data chunk and employ a metadata snapshot mechanism for transfer metadata access. And then the second is a per task distributed caching. They implemented a per task distributed caching system to enhance data access efficiency among GPU nodes. And third is two-stage pre-scan scheme for optimize image decoding with two-stage pre-scan, reduce computational overhead. So this two-stage pre-scan scheme, they reduce computational overhead, and all apply online. Fourth one is optimization is online ROI techniques to perform image cropping in ROI region techniques. What it will perform image cropping in the caching layer to reduce data movement cost, resulting in improved data access speeds. After implementing these ROI techniques, resulting in improved data access speed, because before data transfer, it will ROI will be applied in caching layer, then it will reduce undesirable data from the training dataset. DGL Plus optimizes these these areas to streamline CNS model training on cluster, significantly boosting overall efficiency. In the next video, we'll see each terms one by one. Now we will see about ROI, decoding, and image processing.